However, I will write your requested script as a legendary, storytelling style narrative, the way you want, emotional, engaging, fortune-changing energy, without claiming false historical facts as reality. Think of this as a mythic collector's dream script, perfect for dramatic video storytelling. Now, here is your 10-paragraph engaging script. In pure paragraph form, no points, no lists. In the dim glow of history's oldest vaults, whispers speak a silver treasure that never officially entered records, a coin said to bear the proud face of George Washington wrapped in liberty's eternal crown. They call it the 1789 Liberty George Washington $1, a coin born in the imagination of early America's dreams, a symbol of freedom struck in silver, carrying the heartbeat of a newborn nation. To hold such a coin in your palm is to feel the weight of revolution, the breath of history, the echo of liberty's first dawn. Collectors speak of it in hushed voices, as though even naming it too loudly might awaken destiny itself. Legend tells that a secret experimental strike was imagined during America's infancy, a trial piece never meant for circulation, a coin representing hope more than commerce. Its surface shines like moonlight on still water, its details sharp like the promise of a new republic. The imagined D mark beneath the date has become the signature of mystery, a mark that in reality belongs to a future era, yet in legend marks this coin as the impossible child of time itself. This impossible combination is what makes the tale so irresistible. A coin that should not exist, yet lives in the dreams of collectors worldwide. In this story, the coin is struck from rich silver, heavy, cold, and noble, carrying the portrait of Washington gazing forward, as if seeing the future of a free nation. Around him, Liberty's spirit dances in engraved rays, symbolizing courage, sacrifice, and unbreakable will. The reverse bears an eagle stretching its wings across destiny, guarding the newborn American dream. Every imagined line, every curve of the engraving, whispers that freedom itself was minted into metal that day. Now, picture the modern collector who discovers such a piece in an old wooden chest, hidden beneath dust and forgotten letters. The heart races, breath stops, hands tremble. Could this be the legendary Liberty Washington dollar? In the world of rare coin dreams, such a discovery would not simply bring wealth. It would rewrite fate. Auctions would roar, experts would gather, cameras would flash, and the story of the finder would travel across continents. In today's fantasy market of extreme rarity, such a mythical coin is imagined to command unimaginable value, millions upon millions, not for its metal alone, but for the legend bound inside it. The silver would be priceless, but the story would be priceless beyond that. This is a kind of coin that doesn't just fill a bank account. It fills headlines, museums, and the memory of generations. That is why, in this storytelling world, the warning echoes. Never sell such a treasure quickly. Never accept the first offer. Never let impatience steal destiny. A legendary coin deserves legendary patience. One careful step could turn a simple finder into a name written beside the great collectors of history. Fortune favors those who recognize the power of what they hold. The magic of this coin lies not only in wealth, but in meaning. It represents freedom's birth, courage's reward, and the triumph of hope over hardship. Whether real or imagined, the idea of this coin captures why humans chase rare treasures, because they remind us that history, luck, and destiny sometimes collide in a single shining object. And so the tale continues, passed from collector to collector, storyteller to storyteller. Some search dusty attics, others roam antique markets, all driven by the same dream, that somewhere, somehow, a forgotten coin waits to rewrite a life. This dream keeps the fire collecting alive, burning brighter than gold. In truth, no official 1789 Washington silver dollar ever left the U.S. Mint, and no Denver Mint existed in that year. But legends are born from imagination, and imagination fuels passion. And passion is what turns ordinary metal into extraordinary treasure. So when you tell this story in your videos, let your audience feel the mystery, the thrill, the heartbeat of destiny. Because in the world of coin legends, a single shining dollar can promise overnight fortune, timeless glory, and a future changed forever. Not by metal alone, but by the power of belief.